Welcome back to FullSpec Motors. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new car's front view. This is the bold and futuristic face of the BMW 9 with a large smart kidney grille and slim LED headlights that give it a powerful electric identity. Side profile. From the side, the BMW 9 looks sleek and modern with flush handles, frameless doors and aerodynamic lines that flow smoothly across the silver body. Rear look. The rear of the BMW 9 is clean and sculpted with slim tail lights, a sporty bumper and a smooth electric finish with no visible exhaust. Interior wide. Inside the cabin you see a futuristic layout with a floating curved display, a hexagonal steering wheel and ambient lighting creating a luxury tech lounge. Seats close up. The seats are made from sustainable materials with fine stitching, elegant curves and soft textures offering premium comfort in a modern electric SUV. Glass roof. The panoramic glass roof brings natural light into the cabin and features electrochromic shading for full control over brightness and mood. Rear seats. Rear passengers enjoy spacious seating with plush cushions, ambient lighting and rear climate control for a peaceful luxury experience. Battery and performance infographic. The 9 is powered by dual motors delivering fast acceleration up to 600 km of range and rapid DC charging that keeps you on the move. Infotainment screen. A closer look at the iDrive 8 curved screen shows advanced controls, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and a glowing futuristic interface. Safety features or camera view. 360-degree cameras, intelligent driver assist, blind spot detection and parking sensors work together to provide a safe, confident driving experience. Full angle view. Seen from this full angle, the BMW 9 stands as a symbol of future mobility with cutting-edge design, luxury comfort and electric power. Price slide or info. The BMW 9 starts from around $87,000, delivering advanced tech, electric performance and modern design that defines the future of premium SUVs. That was the complete tour of the BMW 9. Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more full spec reviews only on FullSpec Motors.